Good morning, Cook Island. The water is clear today and no one is awake yet. It's already 7:10 in the morning. People are cleaning. The waves are strong. Today is March 1st, 2025. And breakfast here today. And that is their selection. Oh, they have fruits, eggs, fresh fruits. First breakfast here. I have egg, hard-boiled eggs. I have spring roll. I think this is papaya. Meron din silang balimbing. I have the yellow watermelon, fried rice, bacon, and sausage. So, tikman natin muna yung spring roll. Hindi siya crunchy katulad yung sa atin. Actually, hindi masarap yung luto nila. Yung fried rice. Mas masarap pa yung yung food ko gabi dun sa Filipino store. But anyway, I have free breakfast here. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko for today. Maybe I'm trying to book yung cruise na lagoon. And then yung fire show. So let's see kung mabubook natin. If not, I'll just go to the town. I'm gonna go to the town anyway. And then siguro mag-swimming lang ako sa beach. So right now, guys, I'm here in the market. So the bus costs $5 one way. And then hanggang lang siya, 1 p.m. because it's Saturday. So I'm gonna stay here for like a couple of hours and see if I can shop. And yeah, this is a nice garden here. So guys, I'm here right now in Avarua. Tapos meron silang parang store dito. Mga nakakita ko ng mga kabayan natin. Matagal na sila dito. Hindi ko na kinuhanan ng video kasi baka hindi pwede. Kasi nga, you know. So guys, continue journey. Maglakad-lakad ako dito ngayon. Another beach day, you guys. This morning I just went to the market. Meron pala silang yung yellow card na 10 rides cost like $35. Tapos kasi bawat sakay mo ng bus dito $5 ng $5 regardless kung saan ka pupunta. So I went to the market, nag-ikot-ikot, and then pagbalik dito, beach lang. Time check is already like 3:30. Kumain na rin ako ng pizza and beer. So, ngayon magpapahinga lang ako. I think I'm just gonna wait for the sunset kasi wala naman akong gagawin. But tomorrow is gonna be a busy day for me kasi I have a tour, yung glass bottom boat, and then I'm gonna watch a show tomorrow night then. So day 2 here guys, and let us watch the sunset again. I swam actually for a couple of hours. I met beautiful people from Australia and I ate pizza with beer, and that's it for my night. So guys, I'm here right now in the bus. So magtutour ako. It's Captain Thomas Cruise. So at first I was really concerned na ita-cancel nila kasi nga it is raining. But no. So we'll see kung ano yung weather. Just finished my swimming guys. Pagod na pagod ako. Dahil hindi naman ako marunong lumangoy. But I have the life jacket and then I have the noodles. So far I enjoyed it. These are the people at the door. Let's see what do they have. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right now, nandito ako sa OIB na tinatawag nila. So manonood ako ng fire show. So actually, ang nangyari kasi, nagpabook ako ng taxi. Sabi ng reception sa akin, 5 o'clock darating na yung taxi. Pero actually, hindi dumating yung taxi. So sinama ako dun sa mga puti na mga racist. Ang sabi ko naman sa akin private taxi daw yun. So tama naman talaga, private taxi. And then, after that, sabi ng taxi driver, magbayad na daw ako. Tapos sinabihan ako ng taxi driver, or sinabihan sila ng taxi driver na I'm gonna pay separately. So, ganun na nga ang nangyari. Tapos sinaraduhan ba naman ako ng pinto? Diyos ko, kaya, ay nako, inis na inis ako talaga sa mga puting maliligalig na yan. Well, anyway, ayokong sirain ang aking araw because today is my last day. And finally, I'm gonna watch the fire show. Kasi the best daw yan dito, TripAdvisor recommended. And then, I think it's only like 79 New Zealand dollars. May kasama pang buffet na. So, yun lamang guys. At time check is already like 6:40 in the afternoon. Tapos maglalakad-lakad lang ako dito. Tapos kukuha ng mga views. Salamat. Ito, banana pudding. Melon velvet sila. May meat and cake, may panakota, at saka na parang sapin-sapin. So, banana pudding muna tayo. Masarap daw. Actually, nag-bake ito si ate. Pilipino din siya. Red velvet, masarap yan. So guys, yung number 1 sa akin, ito. Parang pecan. And then number 2, red velvet. Pangatlo itong and then pang-apat yung palamosa. And then last na to. So guys, kain na.